Bunyodkor Industrial Technopark is your gateway to business opportunities. Spanning over 40 hectares, it features production facilities, warehouses, ready-to-use infrastructure, electricity, gas, water, sewage roads and administrative buildings, all offered under the favorable rental and partnership terms. 80,000 meters square of available buildings and structures, 15,000-ton capacity storage tanks for oil and other products, over 40 available lots. Residents of the Technopark benefit from ready-made infrastructure, tax and customs incentives, streamlined administrative procedures, proximity to labor force and educational institutions, support from both government and private investors. Our team ensures a personalized approach for every partner. Thanks to its strategic location and strong transportation infrastructure, applications from potential residents are being accepted. Foreign investors from the USA, Japan, China and Russia, along with major local entrepreneurs, are preparing to launch their projects. Our primary goal is to create a unique ecosystem for the manufacturing companies, innovative startups and logistics operators. Bunyodkor Industrial Technopark, we welcome investments, partnerships and joint ventures. Contact us today at